But it's finally here.
It's been a long time coming, this one.
Year and a half in development, this one. We worked with Dan and the boys at Fast Lanes with this one. There's many things that they've put in that we asked for, being the burst panel. Direct
That was a big
nitrous.
one.
Yep.
I don't know whether anyone's seen any videos of nitrous backfires on diesels or petrols. They usually end pretty bad because it has got nitrous injection into each port. So this thing is Mickey Mouse. It's better than anything we could have wished for. Like we dreamed it. We told the boys. They made it.
Something like that.
And
they did really well.
They did. Hats off to the boys.
Okay, so just want to touch lightly on R&D and the reason why we won't be stopping our R&D program at all. Period. Full stop.
Why?
The reason we go to these kind of lengths is to broaden our knowledge on not just tuning, but products, what products work, what products don't work. When you have a scale, I suppose, as high as drag racing, tuning to that level, as well as putting products at that level in that kind of environment.
Definitely gives you a broader spectrum of what the motor's capable of.
And parts on the motor.
Yeah, and what's limited, the first limiting factors, a few things like that.
If you don't have that, you're pretty much just guessing.
Well, you're just guessing, yeah.
You're using customers' cars as guinea pigs. So
yeah.
We don't sort of spare money to find out those kind of questions. We don't go off of what other people have gone off, especially if they're not at the same level as what we are at, as far as our R&D and gathering data. So we go to these kind of lengths. Some of the products do make it to the online store and production.
Some of them don't, I suppose.
Some of them don't. A lot of them don't.
Sucks a bit because a lot of time goes into them, but
at a heck of a lot of money.
There's no point selling them if they're not right. So
exactly. So that doesn't just help with the products. Like I said, it does help with the tuning. So it gives you a good idea of what pumps can handle, what injectors can handle. Intercoolers, what they should be doing, what they shouldn't be doing. A lot of things go into it.
So we gotta have this. Half the time they don't really go, you know. I feel like we're missing a bit.
We are missing a bit. So this is the progression of where we've come from to get to the billet intake manifold. So this is what runs on a standard 200 series or 79 series V8 1 VDJ.
All the different 79s.
All the ones with the V8s.
70, 78s, 76.
200.
Just all of them, guys. So, like in many other shops, this is what they use or they utilise the standard top hat. As you can see on the inside, if you haven't seen it.
Doesn't flow the best.
It's pretty
That sits on top. Our front mount intercoolers do away with that.
Yep, so you throw that over your shoulder and you get the new top hat with the 3-inch inlet. Definitely flows a bit better. I have seen people gut them out, but...
You still run into the same problem though of the front 2 cylinders running a lot hotter than the rest of them for many reasons. Obviously, coolant jackets aren't the best in the front of the motors, but yes, definitely having pretty much a flat top here and it's built up and allows a lot more flow, boost, whatever you would want to call it, through the back cylinders. So onto the billet manifold. So obviously a lot of the designing that went into the front of the plenum allows for a lot better circulation to the front. Frankie Mill runs a front entry. You can buy this with a rear entry, but the way that this has been designed, it should equally share every last little bit of boost evenly across all of them.
No hungry little cylinders.
No hot little cylinders. More to the point. Obviously, you don't have to buy it with the burst panel in or the direct.
Optional and the direct nitrous injection.
That's right. That runs along the side here in the top port. So yeah, we'll be on our online store. If you want to purchase this with a front, rear, side entry. Dan's probably going, no side entry.
No, it's not ready.
No more caddying. It has been a year and a half to get to this, but well, as you can see, well worth the wait.
It's pretty cool.
Definitely well worth the wait.
It's like the evolution, but backwards, because like dinosaurs got smaller into little lizards and shit. Whereas now it's like, we're back to T-Rex.
We obviously got to the billet plenum for many reasons. Failures, the data that we got back from the front cylinders and issues that we've had have all been corrected in this plenum. All right guys, so check out on our online store, this product's going to be on there along with the many others you may have not even known that we make.
We're going to try and bring you a heap of videos on more R&D gear, but also guys, obviously everybody wants to see this bad boy on there.
Definitely.
So So I'm super keen.
I want to let
Who wants to see Luke flip it all the way? Because he backed off last time.
Can't really keep flipping if the back wheels are off the ground.
Anyway, I still want to see it, so don't bitch out.
But yeah, it's been good. It's going to be even better when this is on the car.
Get on it. I like that. That's our new one. Get on.